Gee, thanks, Corelli. This is what I wanted to do on my Sunday morning. This is... Yeah, you guys are seeing this, right? This plastic mess is all inside of the hot end. I was doing a print file to complete this project here, of course, because I'm still working on it. And it just did this 47 minutes in. We have to buy a new hot end. There's no way around it. It's destroyed this hot end. There's just... Come on, Crowley, you can do better than this. It was a single print file. It shouldn't have been this complicated. I mean, it didn't even stick to the bed. It didn't stick. It's stupid. Should have been able to stick. Just get Bamboo Labs printers, guys. Just get Bamboo Labs. This is first 3D printer experience for me and my dad. So, you know, it's like, it's a cheap printer, we'll just buy it, because why not? This is why you don't buy Creality. I mean, come on.